Hi, I'm Melanie, and welcome to Hobbi 101, your beginner-friendly place to relax, draw, and discover Zentangle patterns. This October, I'm bringing you a brand new tangle every single day. So whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned tangler, you're in the right place. It's Inktober, and today we're kicking off day one of the Tangles challenge with a pattern that looks like a string of festive lanterns, Festune. Don't worry if you've never tangled before. This one is surprisingly easy and the results will wow you. Alright, let's grab our pen and paper. Stick around until the end. I'll show you how shading brings Festune to life, and I'll give you a sneak peek at tomorrow's pattern. First, draw dots. Space them out. These will be the centers for your Festune shapes. Now, let's draw the rounded oval shapes. You can overlap them too for additional interest. The third step is to add the lines. Curve them towards the bottom of the oval to get a curved dimensional look. Keep repeating for the other ovals. See how it starts to resemble hanging garlands? They also look like peppermint candies to me. Now for the fun part, shading. Well, not always fun for me. I do get impatient shading. Let's add a soft shadow under each drape curve, right where the fabric overlaps. See how the shadows turn flat shapes into something dimensional? It's like the pattern suddenly breathes. Notice how quickly Festune fills the space. By the time you reach the end of the string, it feels like you've decorated your towel for a party. Likes and comments tell YouTube to share this calm space with more people. Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's tangle. Alright, let's grab our pen and tile. We'll be starting with a simple string, and you'll see how this pattern builds into something decorative and flowing. Stick around until the end. I'll show you how shading brings Festune to life, and we'll also begin our finale art piece that will hold all 31 patterns. Now that we've explored Festune on its own, let's add it to something even bigger, the final art piece. This will grow day by day until all 31 patterns from the challenge come together on one epic tile. Let's start by laying down the string. The string is our framework, almost like a roadmap. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a guide for where the tangles will live. See how even a simple pencil line holds so much possibility? Every space here will soon tell a story. Today is Festune. Now I'll draw an oblong shape around each center point. Each curve is like a little lantern, ready to light up this final piece. Notice how Festune already transforms this blank area? Imagine how it's going to look when 30 more patterns weave in beside it. I'm going to add some variations, darkening one side of the drape and adding little dots. This way, the section already feels complete, even as we wait for the other patterns to join. Right now, it might seem small, but shading will make Festune stand out. And tomorrow, when Seedways joins in, the connections will begin to appear. Let's add shading under each curve. A gentle touch of pencil, softened with the tortillon or blender stump, creates that natural overlap. The shadows pull your eye inward and give the pattern depth. Notice how I'm shading the bottom portion of each of those oblong shapes, and that will lend to a more curved appearance. Don't worry about perfection here. Shading is all about softness. A little whisper of graphite shifts the whole mood of the pattern. Notice how shading not only defines the pattern, but also creates calm in the process. The more you blend, the more peaceful it feels. This is just day 1. Imagine by day 15, halfway through, how dramatic this piece will look. Stick with me and you'll see the transformation unfold. are no mistakes in tangling, just opportunities to add a little extra flair. If your curve wobbles, let it dance. Sometimes the oops becomes the best part. As this finale piece grows day by day, I'd love for you to draw along with me. Imagine how satisfying it will feel on day 31 when your tile is as full as mine. And there's Festune, settled into the finale artwork. It's like the first puzzle piece. And tomorrow, we'll place another with seedways. This is just the beginning. When you like, comment, share, and subscribe, it tells YouTube these videos are worth sharing with new audiences, so more people can discover the calm of tangling. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you'll always catch the next adventure. Share your art with hashtag Hobbi101 Tangles and hashtag Inktober Tangles 2025.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.